Hi friends, I am Ankit and today we will talk on number of things which we need to do after our mobile phone misplaced or gets stolen. First and most important, immediately use Find My Device which will help you in finding your mobile phone location. If you don't know about this service, then find one of my video link which already cover how to find lost mobile phone location in description and in I button on the right side corner of screen. Second, if due to some reason you don't able to find your mobile phone, then you need to request your network provider to block your SIM or mobile number. This will help you to avoid any misuse of your mobile number. Third, file a complaint to your local police station with mobile IMEI number. In some cities, you can also do police complaint online. Police can track your mobile phone with the help of IMEI number even if someone tries to use it with other mobile number also. Fourth, you need to submit copy of police complaint to your network provider to reissue SIM card of same mobile number. Fifth, if your mobile is insured, then also you need to submit copy of police complaint to insurance company to claim insurance amount. These are all the steps you need to cover if your phone is misplaced or stolen. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.